Devendorf. Starting five here in the overtime for New Zealand as Castro misses the three. Kasama niya si Ping, Taulava, Ontiveros. Yes! And
for Davis, definitely been a tough night so far.
Norwood inside to Taulava. Spinning. Spinning again! And that's three in the key. The pick from Ray Turner. Turner gets it back inside the key. Jump. Ibigay niya. Hindi. Takes it inside. Hook shot. Rebound is tapped around. Ends up with the Philippines. Castro inside. Out to Gabe. Norwood.
Shot
three
clock.
on the shot clock. Throws it up. Rebound now for New Zealand. Abante pa rin ang isa ang Pilipinas. Blocks him. Rusco drives all the way and the lead is Castro. Pick galing kay Pingris. Norwood, dinabas. Ontiveros for three. Yes!
And this is the type of zone that you want on.
Rusco, binigay kay Davis. Wide open jumper. Got it.
Solid, ha?
Castro. Sumaksak. Mintes, bitin yung tira na yun. And Davis with the rebound.
You can see New Zealand now trying to milk the clock. They seem like they're a little bit more winded than our guys because sila yung limang parating naglalaro heavy minutes.
Turner missing in both. Binigay kay Ontiveros. Dondon again. Got it! 9 points in the overtime for the Cebuano hotshot. Dihons. Tignan natin ulit. That is such a beautiful stroke.
And yun, coming off the ball, coming off that movement, then ito naman one-on-one, good shake, going the opposite side, knocking down that three, and then this one, just not paying attention enough to Dondon Ontiveros. After he's knocked down two shots, kinakailangan mas lapitan mo siya.
Pag nararamdaman na ni Dihons yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Take a look at it again. There's that step, pulling up. We've seen that shot so many times in the PBA. Don't get much sweeter than that. 9 points, 3 of 3 from beyond the arc in the extra period. Oh, Devendorf for three. Back iron, rebound for Dondon. And Castro with it now. Oh. Turnover, no. Castro still with it. He needs to get past the timeline, and he does. Namuntikan pa. Foul pa kay Bloxham.
What you like about that is the effort that Jason Castro showed. We're almost a turnover, but we hustled. We were able to get back, got that basketball, and aware of the shot clock. Be able to bring it up, beat that 8-second violation, go all the way, and preserve this. Yung sinabi ni Coach Alex Compton, yung sinabi kanina ng buong team, the instruction is go all out every single game.
Free throws now for the Blur. Fouled out na po si Josh Bloxham. Si Mills na ulit ang pinasok ni Kevin Braswell. Mintis yung una. Nakabukas pa ang pintuan ng New Zealand. 21 points for Jason Castro. Castro making it a two-possession ball game.
Short yung dalawang free throw when it comes to Jason Castro. Luckily, good bounce on the second one.
Devendorf against Gabe Norwood. Devendorf all the way. Fouled. And that will mean free throws again for New Zealand.
Kita mo yung experience si Devendorf. Hindi na maunahan si Gabe Norwood dun sa setup of that half court. So he attacked early. He knew what they were trying to do, trying to force him to the sideline. He saw a little bit of a break, attack that basket.
Devendorf makes the first. This is a great test nga, yung tulad ng sinasabi mo sa situations na ganito, Dom, para sa Pilipinas.
Well, definitely, this is a situation that is very hard to mimic in practice.
Devendorf makes them both. 88-86 na po ang nasa ating talaan. Ontiveros, pinapababa yung bola ni Jason Castro. Ten on the shot clock for Dion. Step back again! No! Norwood with a rebound.
Great anticipation by Gabe Norwood.
Ping will not take that shot. Binigay kay Norwood. 5 on the shot clock. Norwood. Binigay kay Ping. Inside. Taulava finishing!
What composure shown by Gilas Pilipinas. Shot clock winding down. Not rushing. Not panicking. Still getting the 2 points.
Devendorf kontra kay Castro. Kicks it out. Three-pointer. That's a foul. And that will mean 3 free throws for Mills. So Mills will head to the charity stripe. Tatlo ang ibibigay sa kanya. Packed free throws. Alam mo ito, napakagaling mag-free throw nito eh. Yung mga mauti po 100%. Ito po ang mga manong brigade natin. Asitaw laban, D-Hunts 42-38. But look at that, 12-6, 19 for Ontiveros. At hindi natin nakikita itong si Bro niyan. Ay! Sorry.
Hindi mo bra.
Hindi ko nakita eh. Hindi ko nakita yung buong form eh. Kailangan natin ikaw eh. Kailangan ikaw. Okay si Coach Eric. Mills with a chance to cut it down to 2. Sobrang galing mong free throw. 8:35 remaining. It is 90-88 on the scoreboard. Pero ang first overtime outing ng Pilipinas. They have a 2-point lead plus possession with 8.35 remaining in this game. Norwood to inbound to Dondon. And Dondon is fouled, and that, ooh.
Foul on Devendorf. Mukhang natamaan sa hita.
Deadlig.
Oo. Oh, fouling out ng si Devendorf.
Well, that's good for us. Isang segundo lang pong nawala sa ating orsan. And yan, tuhod.
Ontiveros, one of our better free throw shooters
Yes.
in the Gilas Pilipinas team. So makikita mo siya talaga yung recipient ng inbound na yun.
Devendorf fouls out. Him and Josh Bloxham both have to sit down now. Ontiveros making the first. Newton has checked into the game para sa New Zealand. 20 na si Dondon.
Yeah, I like how Ontiveros is knocking down that free throw. Because I remember there were some questions nung natalo sila sa Alaska, di ba, dun sa free throws niya. And Coach Tab Baldwin was actually one of the ones that defended him.
Yes.
And Tab Baldwin showing now how much he trusts Dondon Ontiveros.
92-88 all the way. And Rusko missing. And that will do it. Come from behind victory. Great way to bounce back from yesterday's loss.
What a great effort by Gilas Pilipinas. And you bounce back after that tough loss. We were a step slow yesterday, but in today's ball game, we kept on fighting.
Yung final tally ng ating manong brigade, Asitaw Lava, 12-6.
Being the leaders of this team, even if they are only in Gilas 3.0. Wala
Yes.
sila dun sa unang dalawa. Well, Asi was part.
yeah.
Asi was part initially. But yun na nga, di ba? Ang tagal na nila. And average age of 40. Both these guys just showing that age does not matter.
92-88 po ang nating final score.